How to hide profile display on Instagram. If you are referring to hiding certain aspects of your Instagram profile display, then here are the most relevant options that users could use to control what others see on their profiles. So first of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Now once in there, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and navigate to your profile section. Once on your profile, tap on the edit profile option available there. You can see edit profile right below your profile picture in Instagram. Once inside it, scroll down and there you'll get to see profile display option available there. All you have to do is simply tap on it. Now there at the top you can see display option available there. Make sure that they are toggled off. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.